Aloha, kaya mabuhay! Bonjour, aloha, kaya mabuhay! Hello tasters, hello world! If you're new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Lush Taste, homemade by Franz. Hey tasters, it's your girl Franz with another video once again. Today we'll be continuing our egg series that we started last week. That we did sort of like a egg corn blue. I really love that recipe. It's super delicious. You guys can check it out and click it up here. So today we'll be doing as I mentioned in the last video, we will be doing a kind of like egg hack sandwich. It's really good and super easy to make. This video will probably only be like 2 minutes or something. So I'm so excited. Let's get on with this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is season our eggs a bit with some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper is already mixed up. A bit more pepper. I'm now going to set this egg aside, and now let's move on to the next step, which is kind of like the last step already. Cooking time! Now I am heating up our pan to start cooking. I'm just gonna let all of the water evaporate from that. Now I am adding in our oil. Not too much, but like a small amount. We are going to have to move very fast. We can't be slow. I'm going to lower the heat a bit so that it's less stressful. And now I'm going to add in half of this, okay? Half. This will make 2 of our sandwiches. Okay, that's a little more than half. Dip this and that. And then let it cook. I need to break a few more eggs because the eggs we use are small, and the last time I made this, our eggs were big. So it only needed 2. That one took up 4. Oof. Oh, look at all of that steam. Okay. I'm going to now flip this. 3, 2. There we are. It looks so good. Now we are going to add in ham. I hope that's like not in the very middle. And then some cheese. We need more cheese. The cheesier, the better. It's getting hot again, which I think is kind of like a sign that it's gonna rain again. I am sweating so much. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay. Now I'm going to flip the sides in. Okay, there we are. Okay. Oh, that's so hot. It's a bit burnt. Now it is done. I'm going to make one more sandwich, and then we are going to do our taste test. And of course the montage. Never forget the montage. These eggs are thick. Okay, it's my favorite time of the video, taste test time. Let's take one of our... Cheers! It's so good. This is a great way to make breakfast if you're like in a rush or something, which not many of us are in a rush anymore these days since, you know, quarantine. I tried this once, and this is the second time I made this, and it's so good, you guys. It's so good. I'm telling you guys, try it. You should totally make this egg sandwich and that egg corn blue we made last week, where you can check out the video up there. Thank you tasters for watching until the very end of this video, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of any new videos that I post. Also, please hit that like button and comment down below any suggestions of what you think I should make next, and I will try to make it happen. Don't forget, happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Lush Taste, homemade by Franz. See you on next week's video. Bye!